Oh, how I wish we could all see the same, share a unified vision, a world brought together by our underlying essence. Mind you, I'm not talking about each of us being plugged into a hive mind, thinking the exact same thoughts, or dressing and behaving the same like a colony of clones. Those are all matters of the surface, and at the surface there is always distinction. That's the beauty of life. The essence that we need to seek and find and see, the vision that opens the bridges bringing us all together, is the essence of the underlying fundamental sameness in our minds, in our bodies. A tree is a tree. Pines, birches, fruit-bearing trees, they all need water and they all give us yields, oxygen and nutrition. And so it is with us human beings. Beyond the so many transitory contexts, the lay of the land in there is very much the same. And yes, those contexts that we land in their essence, they are a neighborhood of concerns, the shorter bridges between us. The longer and broader bridges leading to the nexus of our unity, the needs and the dynamics of our bodies, of our emotions, of our intellects, of our identities, and of our conscious essence. So, lofty ideas, but what need is there for all of this? Can we not just be sprawling and crawling around as we please? And there, my friend, there's the catch. As a species, we have a fundamental need for convergence. Coexistence is a matter of evolutionary survival. In there, it's simply that we have a choice of how we converge, what brings us together. In the good, in the vast, into the fullness of all that we are, or in the evil, in the narrow, into a fraction of what we are. This necessity is ever driven and fulfilled, executed in nature's course. When we, as a society, as a civilization, fail to take interest in convergence in the fullness of what we are driven into silos, into manageable little buckets with their predictable vectors that can be woven together. In there, behold the marvel of the algorithms directing our lives, a force of nature in action, capturing and manipulating your attention, seeding and curating your intentions. In that, my friends, you are turned into manageable reductions, a mere shadow of a human being, but together you come, each turning into clones of the other, thinking the same thoughts, wearing the same clothes in your particular niche. And so, like puppets, you are made to dance, automatons churning in the gears of the machine. Is that truly what you wish to be? Is that what you wish for all of us to become? There is no middle ground here. Either you expand toward the fullness of what you are, what we all are, or you shrink into a puppet sculpted by your fractured desires. This vision of our underlying sameness, this orientation into your lives, is the critical need of our times. Make your choice, walk your talk, rise to the high ground. The middle ground will sink into the nethers. Clear vision, beyond surface details. That we need, seek that, and be well.